So I need to fix the shade of this foundation. I'm using the Say bronzer. My skin tone is a very cool tone, I'm pretty sure. So a lot of foundations, concealers, they pull very yellow on me. Kind of putting a lot on today, but that's okay. It's just getting hard to blend, you guys. Oh my gosh. Today I went to the makeup store. I got the new foundation and concealer that you just saw me apply. I have to take off my jewelry to wash my hands real quick. I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm waiting for my concealer to sit a little bit. I'm basically getting ready to go to this like park thing. It's this event where we're gonna watch the sunset. It's like a grade thing. I'm in the mood to do some cute makeup, so okay, let's blend out this concealer. This one is the Hourglass one. I don't want to gatekeep, so I like the formula. I didn't get a super brightening shade, but that's okay because I'll be tan soon, especially with my spray tan business. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush, I guess you could say, and kind of blend everything out. I feel decent today. I have like things that I'm anxious about, but in general, like, I'm just trying to be chill about them and just do what I can do. I'm gonna bake today. I'm using this pink powder, a Morphe powder. I don't really know how this foundation will behave. I'd rather make it powdered than under powdered, if that makes sense. I like to do a dramatic wing. Alright, I finished the other wing. Very much snatched. I feel like my lips are like disappearing because I have so much like face makeup on, but these are the wings. They probably don't look perfect right now. I'm gonna touch them up later. Now I'm gonna go in with my brow products. I don't really do a lot for my brows. I honestly just like mix these brown and white shades, and I just kind of go over my brows. I like to make them a lighter color but fuller, if that makes sense. So like I like my brows to look denser than they naturally are, but I like them to be like a lighter color, which sometimes I succeed at, sometimes I feel like I don't. It definitely needs to be done today though, just because like the rest of my makeup is more dramatic. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face makeup. By the way, I have on this lip plumper that I put on before, and it's supposed to like plump up your lips, obviously. It has chili pepper in it. It's pretty extreme. I've been more into like a baby pink lip lately. I will like put this on for like the lip plumper, lip filler effect, and then take it off when I'm ready to do my lip combo. So I'm just gonna leave this on. Okay, by the way, still baking. Okay, my bronzer broke like a couple weeks ago. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look very good, obviously, but I don't even know. I don't even have a brush for it, you guys. Maybe I just shouldn't. I'll just mix my blush and bronzer brush. I need a new brush. I'm gonna try and do like a lifting bronzer effect, like place it more high up than I usually would. Ooh, I think I like went too far inward. Ooh, that was so much. Okay. So I'm just using the bronzer to kind of like warm up my face and just add some color back to my face after that foundation. And now for the best part, I got this blush from Ulta not yesterday, like a week or so ago, because I've been really wanting a cool toned powder blush. This is gonna make all the difference and really give that like Barbie doll look, I feel like. I'm gonna apply this mainly like right underneath the eyes and like the outerness of my eye, and then kind of like bring it up like around like this. So much blush. Oh my gosh, I got carried away, but it's okay because I want it to last. It's like the main part of the show. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. I like to use a nude eyeliner pencil. It's the gel one from Essence, I believe. I put it in my inner corner, curl it down underneath like that, and you can see like the difference that it makes. I think it looks better if I do a thinner line and it's like wider versus if I do a thicker line, because I like this like more cat eye look. So that's what I do. I try not to go over it too many times because I don't want it to become like crusty. But yeah, and then I add a little bit to my waterline in like the outer half of my eye. Those are the eyes. Oh, there's a lot more steps actually. I'm going to use some highlight. This is the Cookie highlight from Benefit. I'm just gonna kind of use this like crazy. I'm gonna use my blush brush to add it to my cheeks and on my nose. And then I'm gonna use this Fenty brush to add the highlight on my lids and my inner corners. I love sparkly lid. I feel like that's my signature thing. Maybe I just wear so much makeup that I have so many signature things at this point, but I feel like a sparkly lid is just so me, and if I'm doing a full face of makeup, best believe a sparkly lid will be there. I'm just adding some more to my nose to kind of like define it a bit. I need to leave pretty soon actually. Okay. So I like to add like a fake glow. I know that's bad or whatever, like people like a dewy skin look, but I like a matte skin and just like have everything powdered and set and then add my glow through powder highlight. I think that's like just the best way to do it for me as someone who wants their makeup to last longer and look good in pictures. It looks really crusty right now. It's this Frog Super Shock shadow, but I love these ColourPop ones. They're not really gonna do anything because I already have so much shimmer on, but just know, in theory, in spirit, I'm putting this on. I think that's my eye look for today. I'm not gonna add any like brown or like shadows or anything besides the like glitter shadow. Now it's time for my lip combo. So I'm just removing the lip plumper, just like tapping it so it kind of doesn't have like the glossiness to it, and then just pick a lip liner like a pinkish brown. I'm gonna use the King Kylie lip liner. I think this is the King Kylie lips one. I don't know if this was limited edition, and I like overlining my lips. If you add the lip plumper to like the outer parts of your lips, it obviously like plumps your lips, so it makes overlining look more natural. Guys, I forgot my baby pink lip gloss at someone's house the other day, and so I don't have my like signature baby pink lip gloss that I just got, which sucks, but we will make do. I'm adding this like reddish color, but I really need to like tone down this lip look, so I think I'm gonna add a little concealer. I'm just gonna use this Tower 28 one that I'm like running out of. There we go. I feel like that looks better. I'm adding the Grande Lips baby pink lip plumper. I was so excited to show you guys this lip combo, and I feel like it's like flopping now, but actually this looks okay now that I'm adding this. But yeah, I definitely like it to be like obviously baby pink. So that is the makeup look. I just wanted to do my makeup to kind of cheer myself up before I go to watch the sunset tonight. Ooh, I have to take off my bake. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram because I'm trying to grow those and post a lot more super soon. I hope you all enjoyed this little get ready with me. Comment down below questions if you have any for me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!